Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Linda Cepeda says it's the best natural cure available.
It is not that our community, our island, or the world wants cannabis to be safely accessible, but rather it is our community and our island that needs safe and fair access to cannabis. This is a very real need.
And last Friday, Cepeda read testimony on behalf of Elisa Arevalo on a pair of bills related to medicinal marijuana. Bill 344 would allow for home cultivation, whereas Bill 343 would strengthen the rules, including allowing safeguards for patients' right to privacy to clear guidelines for lab testing. For Women Grow Guam president and Grassroots Guam founding member Andrea Pellicani, she says don't be fooled. Growing medical-grade cannabis is a full-time job.
Very few patients will opt for home cultivation as the time and dedication needed are hard to come by for most working individuals.
In fact, she says this bill would help regulate what already exists as some already do it illicitly.
We know we have a consumption rate of 18% on the illicit market, which is approximately 28,000 people consuming almost 6,000 pounds of cannabis. That's a lot of, quote, home growing, unquote, that already exists.
She says a no vote on home cultivation will affect patients who are financially strapped to pay out-of-pocket expense not covered by their insurance. When it comes to the amended rules, she says minor improvements are needed, including changing the amount of 2.5 ounces that most likely will not cover a patient with serious conditions. And like Pellicani, Public Health Director James Gillen says the department does not have a problem with home cultivation. He does, however, hope lawmakers can address some concerns, including home cultivation plots within a school zone, which he says could be problematic.
You'll find that there are lawsuits still ongoing in Arizona because people live a certain distance away, and they're arguing that they should be included. So, you don't want to get mired in a whole lot of legal battles there, but I also understand the public sentiment about having a controlled substance within a school zone.
As for Bill 343, he says there are some inconsistencies that could be fixed. He said registry cards should still be required and noted clarification is needed about who would qualify as a practitioner.
This is a good start. You've canned the regulations that we wrote that took a lot of time and effort, and that's fine, except that we lost a lot of time and effort. But if this is going to make it better, I'm all for it.
The bill's author, Senator Tina Muñoz-Barnes, says she will take all the recommendations to make these bills a win-win for everybody. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintaniza.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.